Oh God, very good. Congratulations. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Sai Mohana, please tell me about yourself.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I'm Sai Mohana Darisatti. I'm from Vijayanagaram. I'm doing MBA second year in MVGA College of Engineering, and my specializations are marketing and HR. And also, I worked in Infosys as a senior operations executive for 2 years. And there, I learned many skills as a fresher, sir. So I learned how to work in a team and also how to respond to customers' queries and problems as soon as possible. And I have good leadership skills. And always, I try to do hard work, and I'm self-motivated person, and I'm looking forward to work in this bank, sir. This is
Good.
all about me.
Good.
Yeah.
Now, please tell me what are the qualities required for a successful bank officer?
Sir, first is it's patience, and also uh, the ability to handle multitasks, and I think time management is very important, and response to customers' needs, and it should be a bank officer should be it should be active listener to hear the problems, and it should be um, a bank officer should updated daily in order to along with the technology and also digitalization, and he should be a team player and also well work in a team, sir.
Are you interested to reallocate yourself to other parts of the country?
Yes, sir, definitely.
Are you ready for sales? Taking sales?
Yes, sir.
How can
Yes, sir,
you,
I'm ready. Yeah.
what will be your how can you be so confident? What will be your way of approach?
So, could you please repeat the question, sir?
You said you are willing to take up sales.
Yes, sir.
How you can be so confident, and what will be your way of approach?
Uh, so first is we should be well known about the product we are going to sell, and also the needs of the customer, and we need to know about the customer details, like what is the need of the customer and how the product is suitable for the whether it fulfills the needs of the customer or not. In that way we can go to customer, and also we can target the people. uh, the product should must be targeted to the suitable right people, sir.
Actually, the better answer can be that
Yes.
I am confident about succeeding in sales because I am very good in communication.
Okay,
I possess positive attitude. I
okay,
have a
sir.
desire to achieve things. Whatever targets are given to me, I have a desire to achieve things. And
Mm.
I will not give up things without achieving it. I
Yes,
am
sir.
I am a good team player. Besides, I am a good leader also. I always set higher targets and I want to achieve things. So I am confident that sales will be suitable for me.
Okay, sir.
Now, please tell me what is retail banking?
Sir, retail banking includes, like, it's directly serving the directly to customers instead of other businesses or a government. It is direct service to the customers.
Mhm. What you are in which state? Telangana,
No, sir. Andhra Pradesh, sir.
Andhra Pradesh. What is COVID position now?
Uh, sir, right now, think there are no news about COVID, sir. here in Vijayanagaram, it's in Andhra. I think here there are no updates about it.
There is
So,
not.
I don't like.
Andhra, there is not much of a corona nowadays.
Yes, sir.
Mhm. Here, yes. What you said is right. Andhra Pradesh, COVID-19, Andhra Pradesh. Only Anantapur, one person has been identified positive. So you, before going for the interview, you please get to see that also. Because
Okay, sir.
sometimes in the Federal Bank interview, they have asked this question. What is the name of the new COVID variant where it is reported? So what is the latest news about COVID? Now you please get to know that so that it will be better.
Sure, sir.
Good. Now, what are your hobbies?
So my hobbies include I do meditation in order to reduce my stress levels, and also I like communicating with my friends and family, and one of the other hobbies is I like to solve Sudoku puzzles, sir.
Okay. Can you sell an LCD TV to me?
LCD TVs. Okay, sir. So first of all, like I need to go through the features of LCD TV, right? So,
No, but in interview, you cannot say like this. In interview,
yeah.
you have to come out straight away with the new features, whatever features of that LCD TV that you have at home now also, you can tell that. But try to speak out confidently, telling that these are the features of our TV and this will be serving very nicely. Something like that. You should talk very good about your product.
Yes, sir.
And I think you are struggling. Let me ask anybody else is willing to take up this. Anybody else here? Anybody else here online who can take up this selling an LCD TV?
I can take.
Ankur, yeah, please tell.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir. I am coming from Samsung. This is new product, Samsung S2. It is a very good LCD TV having a feature of you can use this TV as a use of a social media. This TV also available for social media uses of like YouTube and Netflix, and having a cost effective then its feature is better than compared to this price of other products from other company, and having a good screen quality, and it is also come with a one Wi-Fi setup box.
See, actually, my question itself had to be improved. Nowadays, LCD is not there. I think now you are having LED.
Smart.
Yes, sir. I'm talking about LED.
Yes.
Yes, with having a feature of
LED something. What is the expansion of LED? LCD.
light emitting diode.
Light emitting diode. Acha. Good.
Diode.
Good. LCD means?
Liquid crystal
display.
Very good. So likewise, these questions also, you must be thorough with that. And Sai Mohana, why were you not able to tell this? Chapama, entuku meeru baga
Yes, sir.
why could you not tell? You are not an ordinary girl, you are Infosys girl. Huh?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Alaga-
firstly, I was thinking about the features, sir. Like, what will be the features? I was thinking. So immediately I couldn't say. So from now onwards, I'll improve, sir.
You
Yeah.
start imagining like this for features of smartphone, features of
Yeah.
LCD, features of a new motorcycle or car, something like that. Theoretically, you please read, and also some loan products, some deposit products, some insurance
Yes.
products. Please get to know that. What is your father?
Yes. Sir, my father is a textile agent, sir.
Textile agent. That means what is he doing as an agent?
As an agent, he gives like to other merchants. He give stock from other states, sir. Like he takes the stock and he's a mediator between the production and
Produce.
sales.
You
Person. Yes, sir.
have to
Producer,
say manufacturing company or
manufacturing company and
textile company and the sellers here.
sellers, sir. Yes.
Will he be selling to wholesalers or retailers?
To both, sir, wholesalers and retailers, sir.
Both wholesalers and retailers. Acha, acha. Good. Sai Mohana. Do you know any famous people with this name?
Famous people not, sir, but I know one singer with name Mohana, sir. Yes. Mohana Bogaraju. She's a Telugu playback singer, sir.
Oh, good. So what do you know about Sai Baba?
Sir, he's a spiritual person, and many devotees are there from various countries of the world for him, and many people trust a lot, and he fulfills our desires if we pray.
Everything okay. You said he is, instead you should have told he was a spiritual person
Okay, sir.
who died in
Yes.
1918, something like that. If you know, if you don't know, you
Yes,
can
sir.
forget.
Yeah.
He was
Yeah.
living in
He was a-
Shirdi,
yes.
Shirdi,
Shirdi, yes.
a town in Maharashtra.
Maharashtra.
All this data is definite data you can speak about.
Yes, sir.
Please tell me, what do you know by doorstep service?
Doorstep service, sir, it is a direct contact between salesperson and customer, sir. Like going to house and face-to-face interaction. It starts from I like introducing the product and closing the sales part, sir.
No. You please go through the doorstep service details.
Okay, okay, sir.
It is like this, that say normally people above 70 years and above who cannot visit the bank branches, they can make a request, and in which case the agent of the bank will be sent for doing service like making payment of cash up to 10,000, receiving of cash up to 10,000, and also issuing of demand draft or and issuing of checkbook, etc. And including
Okay, sir.
life certificate.
Okay, sir.
What do you know by positive pay system?
Positive pay system. No, sir, I'm not aware of it, sir.
See, positive pay system is done to prevent, say, wrong payment. Like whenever people issue check for above 5 lakhs, they have to inform the bank through electronic means, through SMS or through email or through internet banking, so that the details of the check, so that when the check is presented online, bank will verify that and then pass the check.
Sir, it is, sir, also for
Okay,
a
sir.
corporate or institution who are having, who issues large number of checks.
It is not necessarily corporation. Even individuals, when they are issuing check for large amounts, in some banks like Bank of Baroda, the limit is 5 lakhs. Maybe
so it is about 50,000, right, sir? Not 5 lakh.
No. In Bank of Baroda, it is 5 lakh. In some other banks, it is 50,000 or 2 lakhs. Depends on the bank concerned. Initially, when the concept was introduced, it was introduced with the idea it should be applicable for 50,000 and above. But Reserve Bank left it to the individual banks to decide the limit. So accordingly, each bank has its own limit. Karnataka Bank, how much it has? Did anybody see that? Karnataka Bank, what is the limit they have?
But I think it is 50,000. I'm not sure.
It's a positive pay system.
50,000.
Sir, it is there in all banks, sir.
It varies from bank to bank.
It-
Yeah, here it is given as per Reserve Bank of India. Yeah, 1/1/2021 for CTS checks for rupees 50,000 and above issued.
It's
The
50,000.
account, yeah, 50,000 and above. That's what is given here. But RBI has also advised banks to consider making submission of PPS details to the bank mandatory for checks of rupees 5 lakh and above. I am showing it to you.
Sir, for Federal Bank, it is 5 lakhs, sir.
See on the line,
Submit.
it must be 5 lakh. If for here, they have made it mandatory. So I think many banks follow, though furnishing check details under PPS is discretionary for checks 50,000 and above, but below 5 lakhs. Hello, Vyas, the answer is 5 lakhs only. It is mandatory above 5 lakhs.
Yes.
Yeah, so this is the correct answer. I'm seeing it from Karnataka Bank website only. Good. Now, but however, you can say RBI, while introducing positive pay system, told people who issue checks for 50,000 and above have to inform in order to see that payment is not made to the wrong person or for a wrong amount. Because when they issue information, they will tell what is the date of the check, what is the amount of the check, in whose favor the check was issued, what is the check number, everything they will tell. Okay.
Sir, how does it work, sir? Like if I am issuing the check, I have to tell to the bank the date.
You have to send an SMS to the bank.
Okay, sir.
And in many banks, they have a format, positive pay system format. In my mobile app now here, in my
Yes,
mobile
sir.
app here, in this positive pay system, there is a format. Date of the check, name of the beneficiary, a number of the check, amount of the check, all those details you have to give.
So they will cross check with the details we are giving and they will finally
when the
complete
check
the process.
when the check is
Yes, sir.
presented, they are supposed to check it up.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And this can be advised through SMS, through email, through phone call nahi bola, through email, like that you can do. The idea is you should inform them beforehand, before the check is presented.
Sir, there is written that customer provides the bank with the list of checks they have given issued along with details such as check number, date, amount. When check is presented for payment at the bank compares the detail of check with the list of check provided by customer.
Exactly.
If the detail match, check is paid. If there is any dispensary or mismatch, the bank send an alert to customer for further verification.
Very good. Correct. Now we will go to Sai Mohana. Sai Mohana, where are you?
Yes, sir.
Sai Mohana, you are there? Yeah. Good. Now, do you have any
Yes.
questions to ask me? Any doubt? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
So like, what will be the most challenging situation the bank officer might face in his role?
Pardon? Bank officer, what is the?
Like, what will be the most difficult or challenging situation a bank officer may face in his or her role? Sir? Like,
Yeah. Sometimes they are asking such questions like this. What is the difficult situation you have faced in your life so far? What are the problems you have solved like that? So if you go through the
Yes.
questions I have given, you can see lot of
Yes. Yes.
questions are there like that. So are you seeing the questions on screen now?
No, sir. It's a positive pay system. It is there, sir.
Oh. This 176 pages material, it contains
Mhm.
such questions also. Such questions like I avoided those
Like
questions.
how?
There are no definite answers for this. You must speak with confidence and tell confidently whatever you feel is right. I can
Yes,
tell you,
sir.
I can
Sure,
tell you
sir.
something which may or may not be applicable for you. You have to say,
Yes,
for
sir.
example, what is the tell me about one situation where you faced a very difficult situation and how you came over that. Many boys used to tell me, sir, I was working in a project work where we had a very less time before us, and 2-3 people from our group, they did not participate. In spite of it, I saw to it that it was completed. Some such thing. Some whatever
Yes.
details you feel like, you can tell like that. And
Okay.
next question will be, invariably they ask this question, how will you manage pressure in bank work? They think,
Yes, sir.
how will you manage pressure means you have to say, I am a positive thinking person. I am, okay, say, I always set priorities and I decide which is important, which is not important, and I concentrate and get things done. Something like that. You
Sir,
should.
it is same as work-life balance. It is the same as
Work-life balance is different. If you start
Oh.
talking work-life balance, आपको मुश्किल हो जाएगा. वर्क
Okay.
लाइफ बैलेंस करने से तो बैलेंस नहीं होगा. बट आपने ये बोलना है, as a person, I will always prioritize what is important, what is not important. For example, if you are at office and your husband calls you, you should not take it, but attend to your work. And if you are free
Yes.
at that time, you should take the call. But this factor, you should tell your husband, husband, I will not attend to the calls when I am in office. Please don't call me. And he should also agree. If he doesn't agree, the problem ho jayega. So that is what it is. And if at all you have to attend to that, it is similar to my situation here. Whenever I am conducting interview here, many candidates call me for this one, that one and all. So I can't say no, because I am, my job is service oriented. So what I have to do, I have to listen to them and tell them I will do it afterwards. Likewise, if you are receiving a call from your customers, you will listen to that and then tell when you will be solving it. But if it is a call not related to your work, you should not receive it. But that requires the cooperation of the people from the other side also. Could you
Class.
follow?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I am telling you a very simple case, but there can be so many other situations. Like there can be a conflict. In some interviews, they ask this question, will you do a thing if your manager asks you to do something wrong? Your manager asks you to pay 5 lakhs for a check which is 50,000 rupees. Will you make payment? Or a banker, your manager asks you to give 5 lakhs cash at 10 o'clock in the morning, telling the cashier, the customer will come and return the cash before 2 o'clock. Will you give the cash? So for such situations, there are no definite answers except that you have to say, I will go only by the rule. If the
Yes,
rule
sir.
permits, I will do. Otherwise, I will not do. Supposing some customer comes and offers you some 1 gram of gold and says, sir, please sanction me some home loan. Will you take that? The answer has to be no. I will not accept.
Yes.
So you must, these are all ethics, That is why. Any other questions you have, doubts? Are you aware of the balance sheet figures and all, Sai Mohana?
No, sir.
Why? I have been giving in this
I will-
page.
I'll go through it.
Why are you not going through it? Huh?
Yes.
You must
Yes,
know
the total deposits and advances have gone. Yes, sir.
total deposits this much, total advances this much, profit this much. Then next figure you should know is as a percentage of gross NPAs now 2.43, net
NPA.
NPA 0.73. Okay. You must know this.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Best wishes. God
Sure.
bless you. Why are you so fearing? Huh? Why I know
No, sir.
No,
Yes.
you
Bank's
are,
revenue.
you are having lot of fear in your mind. You should erase that fear. First of all, you must believe I can fare well, I will do well. Alaga miru chapali.
Sure, sir.
Mira alaga
Yes, sir.
siggu kotte emi avanu. They want
Okay,
people
sir.
who are more dynamic. Understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood, sir. Yes, sir.
Best